Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Reaching your customers online is more important than ever, and Facebook ads is one of the best tools to do it. With billions of users, Facebook lets you target the right people with your ads, helping businesses of all sizes grow and succeed. Facebook ads are powerful because they allow you to connect with your audience, drive sales, and build your brand. So in this video, we will show you the best campaign structure in 2024 and walk you through the process of creating it with a real-life example. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to create an optimized campaign that delivers outstanding results. Whether you're new to this or looking to improve, we will guide you through the steps to make your ads work for you.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just a quick info. If you are interested in a career in digital marketing, unlock your potential with a postgraduate program in digital marketing from Simplilearn. A top-tier course designed to transform you into a certified digital marketing expert. This comprehensive program offers a unique blend of live interactive learning and hands-on experience, enabling you to learn, create, and promote your own website. Enroll now and start your journey towards digital marketing mastery. You can find the course link in the description box and pinned comments. So let's get started. So before we dive into the best practices for 2024, let's break down what a Facebook ad structure is and why it's so important. So understanding the hierarchy and organization of your campaigns is a foundation for success in Facebook advertising. So number one is campaign level. So this is where you define your overall marketing objective. Whether you are aiming for brand awareness, lead generation, or driving conversions, this objective will guide you how your ad is optimized and delivered to your audience. So for example, if you're launching a new product, you might choose a conversions objective to drive sales directly from your ads. Moving down a level, we arrive at the ad set. So this is where the magic of targeting happens. Within each campaign, you can create multiple ad sets to test different variables. Here's what you'll configure at the ad set level. Number one, audience targeting. You define who you want to see your ads. This could be based on demographics like age, gender, and location. Interests such as fitness or technology, or behaviors like online shopping habits. You can even target custom audiences based on your own custom data or create lookalike audiences to reach new users similar to your best customers. And then comes placements. Decide where your ads will appear. Facebook gives you the option to choose automatic placements, which allow their AI to decide the best placement across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and audience network. Alternatively, you can manually select placements, but be aware that this might limit your ads' reach and performance. And then budget and schedule. At set level, you can set a daily or lifetime budget, deciding how much you want to. So you also determine the schedule, specifying when your ads should run. Now, this is crucial for campaigns targeting specific times or dates, such as a holiday sale. And finally, we reach the ad itself. This is where the creativity happens. The actual content your audience will engage with. At this level, you will design your ad, which includes selecting your media like images, videos, or carousels, writing compelling ad copy, and choosing a call to action that aligns with your campaign objective. For example, if your goal is conversions, a CTA like Shop Now or Sign Up might be most effective. Remember, the ad is where you capture the audience attention, so it needs to be visually appealing and highly relevant to your target audience. So in summary, think of the campaign structure as a strategic framework. The campaign is your overarching strategy, the ad sets are your technical approaches, and the ads are your execution tools. So a well-structured campaign ensures that each element is aligned and optimized to achieve your marketing goals. Now that we have a solid understanding of the basic structure, let's talk about the best campaign structure for 2024. So as digital marketing continues to evolve, so too do the strategies that drive the best results. So in 2024, one strategy stands out: campaign budget optimization. So campaign budget optimization, or CBO, is a game changer in Facebook advertising. Instead of setting a budget for each ad set individually, CBO allows you to allocate your budget at the campaign level. So Facebook's AI then automatically distributes this budget across your ad sets based on performance. For example, if one ad set is driving more conversions at a lower cost, Facebook will allocate more of your budget to that ad set, ensuring that your overall campaign delivers the best possible results. This means you can trust Facebook's AI to optimize your budget distribution without constantly monitoring and adjusting it yourself. Another key component of the best campaign structure is consolidated ad sets. So in the past, marketers often created many narrow ad sets targeting very specific audiences. However, this approach can limit the effectiveness of Facebook's AI. So by consolidating your ad sets, grouping similar audiences together, you give Facebook's algorithm more data to work with, leading to better optimization and improved performance. For example, instead of creating separate ad sets for different age groups within the same interest category, you might combine them into a single ad set and let Facebook optimize delivery based on performance. Now, the next is ad creative testing. Facebook allows you to create multiple ad variations within a single ad set. So you can test different images, videos, headlines, and CTAs to see which resonates most with your audience. This way, you are constantly optimizing your creative, ensuring that your ads remain fresh and engaging. So by leveraging CBO, consolidating your ad sets, and consistently testing your ad creatives, you'll be well equipped to navigate the of Facebook advertising and achieve superior results. So let's take everything we have discussed and put it into practice. I'm going to walk you through creating a campaign using the best structure for 2024, step by step. So start by clicking Create to set up a new campaign. So the first step in creating your campaign is choosing the right objective. Your objective defines what you want to achieve with your ads, whether it's building brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or converting sales. So Facebook offers a range of objectives categorized under awareness, consideration, and conversion. So for example, if our goal is to increase sales of a new fitness apparel, you choose the sales objective. So this objective optimizes your ads to reach people most likely to make a purchase. So after selecting sales, let's press continue. And let's press manual sales campaign. So next, we have to name our campaign something descriptive to help us track it later. So you can also set up A/B testing at this stage to compare different versions of your ads. Like for broader campaigns, consider using campaign budget optimization to let Facebook automatically distribute your budget across ad sets to maximize results. So for example, let's name our campaign Fitness Apparel Sales Campaign. And let's enable A/B testing so that it can experiment with different ad creatives. This way we can test with our audience. Now, if your ads are relating to housing or employment or credit or political issues, you'll need to select the appropriate special ad category. So this ensures compliance with Facebook's advertising policies. As of now, since our campaign doesn't fall under these categories, we can skip this step. So once it's done, let's press next. Now after campaign comes the ad set. So now this is the ad set page. So start by naming your ad set, which could reflect the specific audience you're targeting. So if you're running a conversion focused campaign, you'll need to define the specific conversion event like a purchase, lead, or app install. So for example, we will name our ad set as purchase conversion. So now next you have to define your target audience. So for that, just a second. Yeah, so you can narrow down your audience by location. As you can see here, you can narrow down your audience by location. So right now we have kept it India itself. Age, gender, language, interests, behaviors, and even use custom audience based on your data or create a lookalike audience. So for a fitness apparel campaign, we'll target users aged around 18 who are interested in fitness, health, and wellness. We'll also include a custom audience of past purchases and create a lookalike audience to find new customers similar to our best ones. Now let's go to placements. So Facebook offers two placement options, which is automatic placements where Facebook chooses where to show your ads for the best results, and then we have manual placements where you can select specific platforms and placements. So here we have chosen the automatic placement to let Facebook distribute our ads across its platforms, including Instagram and Audience Network for maximum reach. Now we can set our budget and schedule. So you can choose a daily budget which spreads your spend evenly each day, or a lifetime budget where Facebook optimizes spend across campaign duration. So here we have set a daily budget of 800 rupees and schedule the campaign to run for 2 weeks. So here the start date is 3rd September. So we can give the end date as 17 September. Yeah, so this will give us enough data to analyze performance and make adjustments if necessary. So after doing all this, let's press next. So next, start by naming your ad to keep things organized. Then choose your ad format. So Facebook offers various formats including carousel, single image or video, and collection. So each format serves different goals. For example, we will name our ad as fitness apparel. Fitness apparel. Here we are choosing an image, so image ad. So next you have to add your media. So make sure your visuals are high quality and align with your brand's message. So here we have already selected single image or video. You can go down and add media, add image, select it. Next. So here they will show you different layouts. Like for example, if you are showing your ad on feeds, this would be the layout, or if you're planning to upload it as stories or reels, this would be layout, etc. So you can select accordingly and press next. And again, you can edit your image. You can add pop-ups, you can expand image if needed, and you can even do text improvements. And once your edit is done, let's go to next. Now next step is to write our ad copy. So you have your primary text, which should be engaging and informative, and then you have the headline, which should be catchy, and then you have your description, which must be concise. So don't forget to select a strong call to action to guide users in what to do next. Like for example, in this ad, the primary text could be upgrade your workout with our latest fitness apparel. So, and the headline can be 20% off. Just a second. 20% off, and our call to action can be shop now. You can find so many call to actions like sign up, subscribe, order now. So let's just keep it shop now. So finally, add your URL and any tracking parameters. So this is crucial for tracking the effectiveness of your ads and understanding where your traffic is coming from. Now the next step is publishing. So before you publish, take a moment to review all your settings from the campaign objective to the ad creative. Double check your audience targeting, budget, and schedule to ensure everything is set correctly. So once you publish, your campaign will be live, but the work doesn't stop there. You have to regularly monitor your campaign's performance in the Ads Manager. Key metrics like CTR, CPC, and conversions will help you understand what's working and where adjustments are needed. Also use A/B testing to compare different ad creatives, audience segments, and placements. So based on the results, you can optimize your campaign for better performance. So by continuously refining your campaign, you will maximize your return on investment and achieve your marketing goals in 2024. So that's a wrap for today. We hope these tips help you supercharge your Facebook ad campaigns. Remember, staying ahead means continuously optimizing and testing your strategies. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.